Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can pretty much learn to draw anything and I'll make it easy. And today we're gonna draw a hot dog for some barbecue. So get your materials. We're gonna be prepared for art to draw our hot dog. So we're gonna make sure we have a pencil or maybe two in case one breaks. We want to make sure we have an eraser in case we make a mistake so we can erase. And then if we have if we want to outline, we want to make sure we have a Sharpie for an outline at the end, or a black pen or something. And of course, if you guys have any colors that you want to use for your hot dog, make sure to get those ready too. All right, so we'll get started here with our hot dog drawing. So first, we're going to draw the bun. So it's going to be kind of like a curved line, like an upside down, like a U, very open, long U. So we're just going to do a curved line, like a big smile. Okay, so just make a nice curved line, like a smile on your paper. And on the ends of our smile, we're just going to make a rounded end. So it's going to be like a kind of like a big banana shape. So we're going to have a rounded end here and a rounded end here. You guys can see. And then we're going to just continue this curve at the bottom to kind of mimic the same curve at the top. So we're just going to keep come through and connect. Great. Now our hot dog is going to be in the bun, so we're going to start right about here and draw a curved line like that. This is going to be the first part of our hot dog, and then we're going to curve it just like the bun and then back here. So we're going to do like another smile line here, kind of a curved line. And then again, we'll just round it off here at the end of the other bun, at the other side of the bun. There we go. And then there may be, you may be able to see the other side of the bun on the other side, so we'll just do a small little curved line here, a little rounded, and then another curved line again, so it'd be just kind of like the same thing we've been doing, guys. Just to show that there may be a bun on the other side of this hot dog. Perfect. Now next, we're gonna just put some toppings on our hot dog. You guys can do anything you want. I'm just gonna do a nice, simple squirt of like mustard or ketchup. Okay, so we'll just do a squiggly line here. Squiggly line all the way across, up and down, up and down. And then I'm just gonna round it and come back with it, just kind of like a worm or a snake. Okay, see that? All right, and I'm gonna stop there, and then I'm gonna basically we're just gonna outline it and then color it. So we'll just fast forward everything real quick, and then we'll talk after. Okay, guys? Really easy hot dog. Here we go. Okay guys, looks like we're all done. I hope your hot dog came out just as good, if not better, than mine. I chose to go with just a mustard on my hot dog. If you want to put green relish or some ketchup or pretty much anything you want on your hot dog, you can always do that. And so, you know, I definitely love to get hot dogs in the summer, and you know, it was just 4th of July, and you know, baseball games, all that good stuff. So this is a great drawing to have that you can show your friends how to draw too. So I hope you guys had a good time today drawing with me, and if you want to draw more and you get all the new videos, please subscribe to the channel and you'll be able to learn how to draw pretty much anything easy. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. So please take it easy.